Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a LENOVO Tab M9 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, let's tap on it, and here we have to, in the general settings, we have to scroll to find the display. Now let's scroll down in order to find proper option in the lock display section, so screen timeout. And as you can see, after tapping on it, your device will show you available options, so the shortest at the top, and at the bottom we've got never option, which simply means that your device will never black out. And basically, if you want to set a particular option, simply tap on it. So let me pick 5 minutes, and as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, after 5 minutes of an activity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.